Here I'm cleaning my kettle again. I have added the same lime scale remover solution in the boiling water in the kettle. All the lime scale is been scraping out. Nice. So yeah, that's doing his job. The kettle is getting cleaned up. So now I will fill up all the jars that I ordered from Shein. There was still some leftover liquid in the previous bottle, so I'm just gonna take it out in the new one and fill the bottle up. So that's done, and I will do the same thing with the hand wash liquid as well. So I've already washed and cleaned these containers. So these are my old containers. I'm just going to put everything in there. That looks so cute. I'm going to unbox the package. Brought this from the White Company. Let's open it up. Look at how the packaging actually it comes. That's the mist, body mist, and this is the Pulse Point oil. I normally use that before I go to bed, and so when you get up you still smell fresh. So yeah, that's what it is. It's a small package actually. So yeah, that's what it is. So now I'm going to prepare some dinner. My daughter demanded, she wanted to have puff pastries, so I'm just going to prepare some puff pastries. I'm going to saute some onions with some chili flakes, and when it's just going to change the color, I'm going to add the lamb mince and I'm going to fry them together for a few minutes, and then I'm going to add some ginger garlic paste as well. After frying the mince, I actually let it cook with the lid on for a few minutes. So here is almost done. So now we're going to add all the spices, which is salt, red chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, and then I'm also going to add the potatoes which we cut earlier. And we're going to mix everything up. We're going to fry it for about 2 to 5 minutes, and then I'm going to let it cook with the lid on. And then in about 30 or 35 minutes, I think it was all ready, and I just added some fresh coriander on top. Then I took some filo pastries, I cut them and have rolled them into the square shape. So here my baking tray is ready. I have put some foil paper with a little bit of oil, and then I will take my filo sheet and I have just added a little bit of water on the corner. The water will actually help us to stick the pastry together. So now I'm just going to add all the mixture. Here all my pastries are done now, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of oil on top of it. Oil actually gives you a little bit more crisp on the pastries. And then I will add some sesame seeds. Now that's all done, I'm going to cook them in my oven for about 25 to 30 minutes, or it depends till it becomes golden brown on top. So in about 25 to 30 minutes it should be ready. So that's ready with nice golden brownish color. I'm gonna cut one in front of you, just listen to the crisp. So we're going to enjoy our dinner, and I will see you in my next video.